So if you notice, I'm recording now for CVA 5 review, module 9 and 10. On Monday, you will take this test. It is 40% of your grade. Number 1, evaluate the following expression. 4x minus 3 divided by 5. According to GEMDAS, we have to follow the order of operations. Multiplication and division can be switched from left to right. You do whatever comes first. First come, first serve. Same thing for addition and subtraction. Okay, so here I have multiplication, subtraction, and division. So multiplication, 4 times 7, 28, minus 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5, if you do first in, last out, we have 5 goes into 3, 0 times, 5 goes into 30, 6 times. So therefore we have 0.6. 28 minus 0.6, don't forget to line them up, line up the decimals before you subtract. We can't take away 0 from 6, borrow 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7, bring it down. And then 2, bring it down. Drop the decimal or bring it down. So the answer is 27.4. Okay, number 2. The label of a protein bar says it contains 5% fiber, which value is equivalent to 5%. If you remember Dr. Pepper, we say percent to a decimal, move the decimal to the left 2 times. So 5% right here, 1, 2. Our decimal answer will be 0.05, which will be B. If you want to know what it means as a fraction, this is 5 over 100. And then when simplify, we get 1 over 20. So that was not an option. Number 3. Laura ate 5/8 of the pizza her mom brought home. What percentage of the pizza was left? So if she ate 5/8, this is how much she ate. They want to know what percentage of the pizza was left. So, if the whole thing is 8, she ate 5, what's left? 8 minus 5, we have 3. 3 over 8. Do table, top in, bottom out. 8 does not go into 3, so we say 0 times. Does 8 go into 30? Yes. It goes into 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. 6, bring out a 0. 8 goes into 60. How many times? Seven times, because 8 times 7 is 56, remainder 4, drop in 0, 8 goes into 5 times, evenly, remainder 0. So here we have 0.375. Again, Dr. Pepper, decimal to percent, we go to the right 2 places, 1, 2. So if I had it right here, move the decimal to the right 2 places, 1, 2. So therefore, it will be 37.5% that's left. Okay, number 4. 6th grade students were asked what their favorite subject was. 56 students said that the math was their favorite subject. If there are 166 grade students, what is the percentage of the students who chose math as their favorite subject? So here we have 56 out of 160. We can simplify. Divided by 2, we get 28. Divided by 2, we get 80. Again, divided by 2, we can do 14 over 40. So continue simplifying, and you will get, let me see here, 14 over 40. Divided by 2, we get 7 over 20. Let's see here. 56 over 160. Okay, which equals to what percentage? So the relationship with percent, we write it as part over a whole equals percent over 100. What is the relationship with 20 and 100? 20 times 5. Therefore, 7 times 5 will be our answer. So pretty much 35% of the students prefer math. Okay. Remember, you can always pause the video if I'm going too fast for you. Take notes, sync it, and analyze it. Okay, I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to pause. Number 5. Which of the following is equivalent to 3 squared times 4 cubed? In other words, 3 squared means 3 times 3 times 4 cubed means 4 times 4 times 4. 2 3s, 3 4s. We don't have to solve it. We just have to know which one makes sense. Okay, be careful with this one. This one has a plus in between. There was no plus in between. This one has so many 2's. We didn't even talk about the 2's. So our answer is C. Okay. 15% of the students chose red as their favorite color. Write 15 as a fraction. So remember, part over a whole and percent over 100. Every time we're talking about percentage, we write it over 100. Simplify. Okay, you can divide it by 5. So divided by 5, we have 3 over 20 as a fraction. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to pause right here. I'll continue later on.